Welcome to Computer Code channel. Difference number 1. Wordpad. Wordpad is a basic simple text editor, word processing software built by Microsoft. MS Word. MS Word is a word processing computer software with more advanced word editing features. Launched in 1983 by the Microsoft Corporation. Difference number 2. Wordpad. It was launched by Microsoft along with Windows 95. MS Word. The first Word version, Word 1.0, was released in October 1983 for Zenith and MS-DOS. The first Windows version was released in 1989. Difference number 3. Wordpad. It is a free software available with Windows operating system. MS Word. MS Word is a paid software with a trial version. Difference number 4. Wordpad. Wordpad lacks Wordart feature. MS Word. Another feature of MS Word is Wordart. User can use Wordart for colorful effects to the text in Word documents. User can apply a preset word style or customize it, create his own style. Difference number 5. Wordpad. The password feature is absent in Wordpad. MS Word. The password feature is present in MS Word. In MS Word, users are allowed to protect their documents by setting passwords. Difference number 6. Wordpad. Wordpad lacks table feature. MS Word. In MS Word, using table feature, user can draw table, insert table, delete table. User can perform calculations in a table. User can also use additional features like convert table to text and convert text to table, show grid lines, hide grid lines. Difference number 7. Wordpad. It lacks features like spell check and grammar check. MS Word. It has features like spell check and grammar check. Difference number 8. Wordpad. Mail merge feature is absent in Wordpad. MS Word. In MS Word, mail merge feature is often used to produce a number of similar documents, including elements from a separate data document, like Outlook contact file. The list is combined with standard text, usually to produce a letter or invite to a series of different recipients. Difference number 9. Wordpad. Wordpad has less format features compared to MS Word. MS Word. MS Word has more formatting features than Wordpad. They are text directions, themes, borders and shading, styles, background. A. Fill effects. B. Watermark. Assign layout. Difference number 10. Wordpad. Macros feature is absent in Wordpad. MS Word. In MS Word, user can automate frequently used tasks by creating and running macros. User can save time by avoiding repetitive work. Difference number 11. Wordpad. Wordpad lacks adding header and footer feature. MS Word. Adding header and footer facility is available in MS Word. Header and footer contain additional information like title, date, page number, footnote, author name, etc. Difference number 12. Wordpad. It does not support footnote and endnote. MS Word. It supports footnote and endnote. Difference number 13. Wordpad. The default file format is rich text file format .rtf. MS Word. The file format is .doc. Microsoft has used the extension since 1983. DOCX files store data in the open XML document format, introduced with MS Word 2007. DOCX is a well-known format for MS Word documents. By 2007, this new format became part of Office 2007 and is carried on the new versions of MS Office as well. Difference number 14. Wordpad. Wordpad is a good choice to create basic documents, to open unformatted text documents, print documents with specific formats. MS Word. MS Word is a good choice. Make assignments, writing notes, creating and updating resumes, creating and submitting letters, bills, reports, contracts, creating letterheads, brochures. Like, share, subscribe. Computer Code channel. Click bell icon. Thank you.